In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide for TurboTax 2022. We'll walk through how to report a California state tax refund from a Form 1099 MISC inside TurboTax for the 2022 tax year, so you can enter it accurately and understand how it may affect your federal return. First, log into TurboTax and confirm you're working on your 2022 tax return. This matters because the menus and questions are tied to the tax year you're filing. If you have multiple years available, double-check the year indicator before moving on. Next, navigate to the income area. Depending on whether you're using TurboTax Online or the desktop software, the path can look a little different, but you're heading toward wages and income or an income summary. Once you're in the income section, look for a category related to state tax refunds or miscellaneous income. The naming can vary slightly by version, so take your time scanning the list. Within that section, find a topic that refers to state and local refunds, or tax refund from your state or locality. You're in the right place when you see options to indicate that you received a state or local tax refund during 2022. When prompted, confirm that you did receive a state or local tax refund in 2022. This tells TurboTax to open the follow-up questions and data entry screen specifically for refunds reported on forms like a 1099 MISC from the California Franchise Tax Board. Now enter the details from your CA FTB 1099 MISC. Type in the amount exactly as it appears on the form and select CA as the state that issued the refund. Take a moment to review what you enter, as even small typos can change your results. If you're unsure about any field, use the on-screen help text within TurboTax for clarification. After your entries, TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions to determine whether your state refund is taxable at the federal level. This is based on your 2021 federal return and whether you itemized deductions and received a tax benefit from deducting state taxes. If you used the standard deduction in 2021, your refund usually isn't taxable. If you itemized, TurboTax will do the math for you. Having a copy of your 2021 return nearby can make this part smoother. When you've answered those questions, review the summary screen to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. Your California state refund is now reported for 2022, and TurboTax has assessed its federal taxability based on your prior year situation.